Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL Plex and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select wallpapers and themes, go to wallpapers section, and now you can choose either static wallpaper, live wallpaper, your photo to cover your screen, or some recently used pictures. But let me pick some from static wallpapers, for example this one. And now you can decide if you want to set it for both home and lock screen or just your home screen. Let me set on both. As you can see, it is already applied, so the process is super quick. And here it is, this brand new wallpaper which is covering both home and lock screen. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.